Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to simply clear your search history on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Then click on your Instagram handle. Then go to Account Center. Then go to your information and permissions. Then go to search history. Then come down below here and click on clear or search. Then it's going to take you right here. Clear or search. Choose a time frame to clear all of your search from your account. This will remove your search on every devices. You can't undo this. You can choose last 1 hour. You can choose all search history from yesterday, or you can choose all time search history. Once you select any one of your choice, click on clear or search. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.